Hey my loves, welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. This is Evrupa, I'm an astrologer, also tarot reader. In this channel we discuss astrology, tarot readings and many other things. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification to get notified. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much my love. Today's will be a pick a card read for the sign of Aries through 1st of Feb to 8th of Feb. That is this I think 7th of Feb. That is this upcoming week. Okay, this is not for the week I am uploading, it is for the upcoming week. इस week के लिए नहीं, आगे वाली week के लिए है. ठीक है. आपकी और इस रीडिंग को मैं कहलाती हूँ कि यू नो करंट फीलिंग्स रीडिंग. वो आपकी व्यक्ति की तरफ से हो, आपकी इन जनरल फाइनेंसेस की तरफ से हो. देखते हैं क्या है. अनदर थिंग, वंस आई हिट 1K, जब मैं 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हिट करूँगी, दैट टाइम आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग फ्री रीडिंग्स वंस और ट्वाइस इन अ मंथ. जो भी व्यक्ति सबसे ज़्यादा कमेंट करेगा, सबसे अच्छा कमेंट करेगा, मैं जिसकी कमेंट पढ़ के सबसे ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड फील करूँगी, उस व्यक्ति को एक फ्री रीडिंग मिलेगी उस मंथ के लिए. ओके, so just don't forget to claim the readings in the comment section and to subscribe. So this reading is for my Aries people. 3 of Swords reversed. I think this month is all about healing and bringing a balance and starting something new. Yes, definitely. Something new that will lead to a long-term success, that will lead to a lot of financial abundance, and with the Knight of Cups, maybe your Prince Charm, who knows, right? King of Pentacles. Okay, so आपके तरफ दो व्यक्ति आ सकते हैं. एक थोड़ा सा यंग, एक थोड़ा सा ओल्ड. With the King of Pentacles, it could be a Taurus, Virgo or a Capricorn for the first week, and for another is the Knight of Cups, that could be Pisces, Cancer or Scorpio. So एक उम्र में थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो सकता है, एक थोड़ा सा छोटा हो सकता है. ऐसे दो व्यक्ति आपकी ज़िंदगी में आ सकते हैं. या तो आपके पास कोई चॉइस डिसीजन मेकिंग है. वन कुड बी फ्रॉम योर पास्ट, वन कुड बी फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. But I see that both of them are making a long-term, offer to you. This could be regarding your finances. You're starting something new where you are getting a lot of financial abundance, and with the 6 of Pentacles, this new beginning in your life. And with the 3 of Swords reversed, someone broke your heart. There has been, heartbreaks, third party situation, and now you're coming out of it. You have healed the pain, and all of a sudden this person is again popping out. All of a sudden, just to offer you some long-term commitment or like that. But this could be about your finance or career, where you're starting something new that is going to lead you to financial gains. You could be receiving gifts from someone. And with the 6 of Pentacles, it talks about equal balance, equal give and take. If someone has breadcrumbed you in the past, could be coming up to equalize the situation, to bring an equilibrium to the situation. Or it could just mean, just in order to replace that person, you are starting something new, which is just feeling that gap in your life, that financial gap, that emotional, if you have been feeling really emotionally abundant, like not abundant, in a sense, you were really feeling emotionally left out, and that is something that you're coming out of with the 6 of Pentacles, because now you have the balance, because you are bringing the balance. Also with the King of Pentacles, I feel like you are becoming, Aries people are very impulsive. They take impulsive decisions, but this time, my dear, it's changing. आप लोग बहुत impulsive decisions वैसे तो लेते हो, पर इस टाइम में देखती हो कि आप फाइनेंशियली भी बहुत सोच समझ के काम कर रहे हो. आप खुद की ग्रोथ पे लगे हो, आप खुद के चीज़ों को बढ़ाने में लगे हो. ये सभी कार्ड्स में थोड़ा बहुत बिजनेस रिलेटेड कार्ड्स देखती हूँ. आपके कॉइन्स अच्छे दिख रहे हैं. आप अभी जो करना चाहते हो वो है आपकी बिजनेस. या तो कोई काम है आपकी जहाँ से आपको पैसे मिल रहे हैं, और अपने फाइनेंसेस के ऊपर, अपने ओवरऑल ग्रोथ के ऊपर आप बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस्ड रहोगे मंथ ऑफ फेब्रवरी में। देखते हैं एनर्जीज और क्या कहती है। Yes, Two of Pentacles. Someone treated you as an option. They had more than two options और उनको पता नहीं था किस ऑप्शन को चूज करनी है। अभी भी मैं उस व्यक्ति को इसी सिचुएशन में देखती हूँ कि उनको अभी भी नहीं पता क्या करनी है, पर या देयर कुड बी अ कैजुअल कम्युनिकेशन कमिंग अप which they will offer, or like there could be two people, one is juggling with you, one is offering you commitment. This could happen, or this is just you finally finding your life purpose and working on it and bringing a lot of money, but you have a lot of confusion कि हाँ मेरे पास enough resources है कि नहीं, मैं इस तरफ जाऊँ कि नहीं, इस जॉब को लूँ कि नहीं। अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपके दिमाग में आ रही है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो तो कर दो। यू आर abundant my dear, you have all the resources that is required to start this new, to be in this new beginning. Okay, Two of Wands. Yes, there could be a distance, there is little to no communication between two of you. This could be someone from your past, and with the Knight of Cups, this could be someone who is present at your life. Let's see. Okay, the Sun could be a Leo you are dealing with, or could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but whoever it is a little, like, you know, not much old, could be a little younger in comparison to the other, and you feel very happy with them overall. This could be you in generally feeling very happy. You could be offering love towards a Leo. That could also be possible. And with the Two of Wands and the Two of Pentacles, yes, there were no communication between you and this person. This person could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And finally, maybe they are visiting you or something, or this was a long distance relationship, that's why it didn't work out. So this could be the cases. Let's see what actions are being taken towards you, or what actions are waiting for you for the month of Feb for my fiery Aries people. Archangel Gabriel, call in the pure white light. Yes, so I feel like you are finding finally your inner peace, because white represents the peace, or someone could be offering you a peace, you know, a peace offer, you know, peacemaking, like let's just not fight in a world. So it is also a peace offering that has been made to you. So it's your call whether you want to be in it or not. So yeah. Okay, another card. Another card is mystery. Explore the unknown, the unexpected awaits you. Yeah, I think this is something that you are not expecting, or you stopped expecting after a long time, because now you are healed and all on a sudden this is coming up to you. Yes, also this person is traveling, as I can see. They could live at a distance from you, so they could be traveling to visit you or something. There could be a little bit of water involved or something. Between you two, you could be a Pisces, or you could have Pisces in your chart somewhere. I don't know why it did pop out. Also, I feel like explore the unknown. It also says about mystery. So if there is any mystery that is surrounding it, because I feel like 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 again signifies the third party situation. So the mystery could be about that third party situation that has not been revealed to you till yet, and you could receive some sort of message and a peace offering from that, something that you never expect. Okay, or you stopped expecting after a point of time. So whatever decision you will make, just be clear about the facts and then take the decision. That is a little piece of advice from my side to yours. And Aries, just take care for this week. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, take care.